Introducing the Tree Bookshelf by SpryInterior, a premium, handcrafted product made entirely from natural wood. Its unique design can be customized to fit your space perfectly. The Tree Bookshelf is delivered in disassembled parts for easy transportation. When your package arrives, follow our step-by-step instructions to assemble your bookshelf. Let's get started with the tree's main trunk. Each part is numbered. Match the numbers and connect the pieces. Use a hammer to secure the parts. Place a cloth or soft material over the wood before hammering to prevent damage. Repeat this process for all remaining sections. Each wooden piece is labeled with a number corresponding to the joints. Match the numbers to assemble. Align the shelf pieces correctly and secure them using the included screws with a drill or screwdriver. Repeat this process for all remaining sections. To ensure stability, secure the bookshelf to your wall using the provided screws. Once assembled, your tree bookshelf is ready to use. Decorate it with your favorite items to create a tidy, stylish living space.